We will see question number 3. Volume of cylinder is 44 cubic centimeter and radius is 2 centimeter. Find its whole surface area. We have to find whole surface area of cylinder. What is given? Volume of cylinder, that is 44 centimeter cube. Radius is 2 centimeter. What is the formula of volume of cylinder? That is pi r square h. What is the value of volume? 44. Equal value of pi is 22 upon 7. R is 2 square into h. Cross multiply it, cancel it with the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 22s are 44. Then 22 ones are 22 ones are. How much is left in the numerator? 7 upon denominator 2. 7 upon 2 equal h. What is the value of height we got? 7 upon 2. Now we have to find the whole surface area. The formula of whole surface area is 2 pi r bracket start r plus h. Now 2 pi r. Pi, value of pi you put 22 by 7. Radius, how much radius? That is 2. Again 2 plus the value of h is 7 upon 2 bracket close. Then multiply it 44 into 2. Yes, we know that is 88. Then inside we have to take the LCM, that is 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into 7 7 whole upon 2 into 1 is 2. Then that is 88 upon 7 will be there, upon 7 into 7 plus 4, yes, 11 upon 2. Now cancel it with the table of 2. 2 44s are. Then 44 into 11 you multiply. If you multiply 44 into 11, it is 484 upon 7. You divide 484 with 7. How much you will get? You will get 69.14. What is the unit? What you are taking out? You are taking out whole surface area, that is centimeter square. See question number 4. A well whose diameter is 14 meter and 25 meter deep. Find the volume of the mud taken out of the well. Also find the cost of plastering the well from inside at the rate of rupees 3 per square meter. What it is given? Diameter. What it is given? Diameter. How much it is given? Diameter is given 14 meter. So the radius will be diameter upon 2, that is 14 upon 2, that is 7 meter. Height, how much height it is given? Height it is given 25 meter. What to find out? We have to find out volume of well. What is the formula of volume of well? We know the volume of well. Well means kuwa. Kuwa means it is in a form of a circle, circular form. That formula is pi r square h. Now put the value. The value of pi is 22 upon 7 into value of r. How much you got? 7 square. Into height, how much it is? 25. Now 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 into 25. Cancel the 7 ones are 7 ones are. What is left? 22 into 7 into 25. Multiply all the 3 digits. That is 3850. What you are taking out? Volume. That will be meter cube. Now what to find out? We have to find out the cost. To find out the cost, we have to find the curved surface area. Curved surface area. What is the formula of curved surface area? 2 pi r h. Then 2 into 22 upon 7 into what is the value of r? Value of r is 7 into value of h is 25. Then cancel the 7 and 7. 7 1 ja 7 1 ja. That is 44 into 25. You multiply 44 with 25. That will be 1100. You are finding out curved surface area. It will be meter square. It will be meter square. Now we have to find the cost of plastering. Cost of plastering. Cost of plastering, how much it is given? 3 rupees. How much area you got? 1100 into 3. That is rupees 3300. So 3850 meter cube of earth is dug out from the well and cost of plastering inside the well is rupees 3300, that is 3300. Is it clear? Now see the question number 5th. Circumference of base of a cylinder is 6 meter. Correct in your book. If it is not correct, given question, cylinder is 6 meter and height is 44 meter. Find its curved surface. We have to find the curved surface. What is the value given? Circumference of base of cylinder, it is given 6 meter. Height is given 44 meter. We have to find curved surface area of cylinder. What is the formula? Circumference of base into height. Circumference of base, how much it is given? 6 into height, it is given 44. Multiply 6 4s are 24, 4 to carry, 6 4s are 24 plus 2 26, that is 264. Its unit is meter square. Question number 6. Area of curved part of a cylinder is 1000 pi square centimeter and its diameter is 20 centimeter. Find the height of the given cylinder. We have to find the height of a cylinder. Curved surface is given and the diameter is given. From diameter we have to change into radius. What is given? Curved surface area of cylinder, that is 1000 pi centimeter square. Radius is given, that is r. Radius is 10 centimeter as diameter is half of the radius. Now what to find out? Curved surface of a cylinder is given, that is 1000 pi. With that we will find out the value of height. Curved surface of cylinder. What is the formula of curved surface of cylinder? 2 pi r h. Curved surface of cylinder, how much it is given? 1000 pi equal 2 pi. The value of r just now we got 10 into h we don't know. Cancel this pi and pi. Then cross multiply it. 1000 upon 2 into 10 equal h. Cancel this 0, 0 with the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10 and this 0. So height, how much you got? Height is 50 centimeter. So height of cylinder is 50 centimeter. Is it clear?